How to verify your YouTube account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can verify your YouTube account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm not talking about channel verification, because channel verification means the check mark that you get. I'm only talking about YouTube account's individual verification with your phone number or email or whatever else. So first, just open up YouTube, then just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then go to manage your Google account like this. So verifying your YouTube account means verifying your Google account. Then just go to personal info here. Here you can see phone number. So if you've not added your phone number over here, you simply want to make sure to verify it. So tap on the phone option. Now in my case, my YouTube channel or my YouTube account is already verified and the phone number is also verified. If not, you can just tap on the phone number, make sure to enter a new phone number and then verify it accordingly. In that way it'll send a code to your phone number, so you have to make sure that you have access to that phone number. And this is it on how you can verify your YouTube account. We hope the video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.